What's going on, guys? It is Luke Waters back with another YouTube video, and today we are not doing any part of the DoD swap on the G8. I'll show you guys where I'm at right now with the current state of the car. Service is all prepped and cleaned, ready to go. Still gotta pull the old cam out. I might do that later today, who knows. Kind of want to wait till I get all the gaskets here before I tear anything else apart, so that way I can throw it all back together. I've been waiting for a set of review mirrors to go for sale. Finally picked some up locally, so what we're gonna do today is replace the broken passenger side review mirror. The first thing you want to do, this might be kind of hard to show because I'm going to be holding my camera the whole time, but the first thing you want to do is actually pull off this piece of plastic right here. All you want to do, we're going to shut the door. I'm going to turn it. Might need two hands for this, I'm not sure. Okay, so like I said, the first thing you want to do is you want to take this piece of plastic off the outside of the mirror. The new caps I have are actually chrome, so we're going to have to swap these over. So for anyone wondering how to take these off, it's pretty simple. All you do is kind of start from the side right here. And you want to pry, just like that. There you go, comes right off. I took this off originally to make sure I wasn't going to break it when I recorded for you guys, so I had a little bit of practice at it. But as you can see, there is no glass and mirror right here. And the reason why you take that off is because you got this wiring harness right here that you need to feed up and down, back into the door jamb. Here is the new mirror I'm actually using to replace it with. Like I said, this is chrome, so this is actually going to come off. We could actually take this off right now, maybe. We'll wait till this is on the car. It'll be a lot easier to do when it's on the car. So next we need to check and see what we need to take this door jamb off with. This car's been in the garage and there's a bird poop on it. That's not good. Okay, inside the car, you're gonna look for some screws. You're gonna have one hidden back there. You're gonna have one right there. Right there. I think there's two on the bottom as well. There might be one behind this handle. I'm not sure. If we look down in here, yep, there's one right in there. Yes, I was wrong. Two of these are going to be Torx. I'm not sure what size yet. I'll let you guys know here in a little bit when I get these out. Just kind of feel around. That one, that one, that one. It's not on the sides. It's kind of weird. Let's go grab some Torx bits and get these two last bolts out when this door panel pop right out. Let's try 25. It looks too big though. Why do they do this? They make one screw completely different than the rest. Wow, this light makes the carpet look dirty, but I guarantee this car's clean. Okay, let's see here. Ah, jeez. Why do they, GM, dear GM, why do you do the things that you do? It is a 25. My bit's just getting wore out on this thing. It's getting a little warped. Maybe? Just don't want to break nothing pulling this door panel out. Ooh. Still feels awful tight here. There we go. Oh, there we go. Okay, so just need to get this guy off right here, and we are in business. I think it just pulled off. Yep, there we go, like that. Expose some more wiring. There are 30s, T30s once again. Weather strip. Oh. There we go. Let's do this. Let's go through, pull this weather stripping up. Will it expose a screw? It does. Haha! There is a third screw. Okay, pull that weather stripping up. They don't tell you that online. To expose a third screw. Not something seemed up. Something seemed very weird about this. One egg. Old one out. New one going in. Snap back into place, and let's get this door panel back on and wrap this job up. Ooh. There we go. Oh, clipping the top first. There. I love Holden's designs on door panels. Literally, in my Buick, it just all clips on and it's got two screws. It's fantastic. This, not so much fantastic. But at the same time, they probably weren't thinking of some average American to be taking this apart. Yeah, I've just been spoiled by the simplicity of a 90s Buick for too long. Voila! New mirror installed. Now let's get this chrome cap off here and put on the old crusty black one. This is before. Turn to the side, start at the top. Pry back and work your way around. Go nice and slow. There you go. If anybody wants to buy these, let me know. I'll sell them to you for a good price. I got 2 of them. Get the bottom set like that, and get this back corner right here. Get that set in too. So kind of start there. Bottom your corner set, and then you just push forward. Fix right in. Oh, finally! Finally. Awesome. So there you guys go. Anyone's interested, let me know. I'll sell you guys these for dirt cheap. I got an extra one that I don't need anymore. As always, been Luke Waters. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys on the next video.